What's going on, you guys? So yesterday I did a wash and style live. So after my wash and style, rinsed my hair out with cold water with the do-rag on, of course. I waited about 4 hours, took the do-rag off, and I applied a little bit of my strawberry mint moisturizing oil, right? What that does is it helps you lock in your moisture, helps add a little bit of shine to your hair. After I did that, I did plastic bag. Reason why I did a plastic bag, because my hair was still a little damp and I didn't want to use a brush. If I used a brush, it probably would have lifted my hair up. So I did it as quickly as possible, added my oil, used the plastic bag, and threw the do-rag back on. It is the next day, my hair is completely dry, my do-rag is completely dry, no water in my hair whatsoever, moisture locked in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply some butter to my hair, and then I'm going to brush that in with my soft brush. The reason I'm going to be using a soft brush is because the soft brush closes the cuticles, lays the hair down, and lock in moisture, right? I don't want to lift my hair off the scalp just yet, so I'm not going to do a main session. This is going to be just my after wash session. Real quickly, nothing too crazy. Now, I'm going to show you the exact products I'm going to use and why I'm using them, right? So I have two options. I can either use my frosted berry butter, or I can use my pomegranate mango pomade. Today, I'm gonna go with the pomade only because I've already applied oil to my hair, right? My moisture is already locked in. Now, the only thing that's kind of left to do is to just add hold to my hair and add shine. Now, the pomade is around 55 to 60% oil, and the butter is only 20 to 25% oil. And also, there's a higher percentage of beeswax in the pomade than there is in my butter. Only reason I have beeswax in the butter is just so that it doesn't melt in transit because of the summer heat. Now, the pomade is always gonna have beeswax because the beeswax adds hold to your hair. So the pomade has a higher percentage of beeswax and a higher percentage of oil. That means it's gonna add great hold and great shine. That's why I'm gonna go for the pomade for this specific session and not the butter. And since I am using my pomade, I am not going to add oil. Why? Because there's about, 60% oil in this pomade, so there's no point of using oil. Now, if I was using the butter, there's only 25% oil, so it's not gonna add as much shine to my hair. So therefore, I would have to add some oil if I wanna get some shine. So today's video, I'm only gonna go with my pomegranate mango pomade, just add some hold and a little bit of shine. Now, a little goes a long way. I'm not gonna put a crazy amount of pomade to my hair because my next wash isn't gonna be until maybe around 4 to 5 days from today. I don't want to apply too many products and cause a lot of product buildup. And if you want to get your hands on any of these products, I'm currently running a Labor Day sale on the website right now, so go ahead and check out NarestEssentials.store. Use code LABOR30 at checkout and take 30% off your entire order. So again, guys, I only have oil in my hair from last night. I used it to lock in my moisture. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little of the pomade. Now, this part right here is very optional. You can definitely go ahead and apply some oil to your hair just to add a little bit of oomph, you know, some more shine. But like I said, it is 60% oil in this pomade. I personally won't add some oil because I don't want to, go too crazy on the product. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush in the pomade and lay the flyaways down, close the cuticles with my soft brush. This is a gold bristle soft brush. It is the softest brush that you will ever get your hands on. There's 3 centimeter bristles, so you'll cover a lot of area with every brush stroke. This brush isn't available yet. It will be available on the website real soon. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. All right, once we're done brushing, we're gonna go ahead and grab our plastic bag and just do that until you feel like your hair is laid to your liking, all right? And now we're actually gonna throw the do-rag on to lay the hair down and get the best results possible. I'm wolfing heavy, so I'm going to double compress. I'm gonna leave this on for about an hour, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. This is my after wash method. For today's video, I only used the pomade, soft brush, and plastic bag. I don't recommend using a medium or hard brush because that will lift up your hair, open up the cuticles, and it's gonna be a lot longer to lay your hair back down. After a nice washing style, I like to just use a soft brush to close the cuticles, lay the hair down, and lock in moisture. Don't forget your products at NarestaEssentials.store. Use code LABOR30 at checkout to get 30% off your entire order. And I will catch you on my next one. Peace.